16 x to the power of minus 3 y square into 8 to the power of minus 1 x cube y to the power of minus x cube cancel and 8 2s are. So answer is 2. Option C is the correct answer. 8 by 27 whole to the power of minus 1 by 3 into 32 by 243 whole to the power of minus 1 by 5. So 8 can be written as 2 cube. 27 can be written as 3 cube. So this can be written as 2 cube by 3 cube whole to the power of 1 by 3 into 32 2 to the power of 5 by 3 to the power of 5 whole to the power of minus 1 by 5. Here minus 1 by 2. So this will become 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 1. 3 get cancelled. 2 by 3 whole cube. So into 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 1. Here x to the power of m into x to the power of n. So 2 by 3 minus 1 minus 1. So 2 by 3 minus 2. That will become 1 by 4 by 9. If you take in this way, 9 by 4. So answer is option A. X plus y whole to the power of 2 by 3 into x minus y whole to the power of 3 by 2 by what they have given x plus y. Root of means 1 by 2. Here x minus y. Here root x minus cube root. So it will become 3 by 2. So whole power 6. This will be cancelled and this will be x plus y a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6. So 1 by 6. So 6 will be cancelled. So x plus y is the answer. So option C is the correct answer. They have given us 125 whole to the power of 2 by 3 into 25 root means 1 by 2 into 5 cube means 3 by 3 into 5 to the power of 5 cube whole to the power of 2 by 3. Good. 3 will be cancelled. Here 5 square means 5 to the power of 1 will be present. Here 5 to the power of 1, 5 to the power of 1 by 2. Total we can add 2 plus 1 plus 1, 1 by 2. That is equal to 5 to the power of 3, 4. 8 plus 1 by 2. 5 to the power of 9 by 2. So answer will be none of these. 2 to the power of 1 by 2 will be the same. And this can be written as 2 square. So 2 square 3 by 4. 2 cube 5 by 6. Next 2 to the power of 4 7 by 8. I am taking in the form of 2. 2 to the power of 5 9 by 10. Next 4 then 3 by 25. 3 by 25. So this will be same 2 to the power of 1 by 2. Directly I am writing. So 2 2. So plus 3 by 2 will become here 3 2s are. So 5 by 2 plus 4 2s are 7 by 2 plus 5 2s are 9 by 2 whole to the power of 4 and then square bracket 3 by 25. Then for this 2 to the power of 1 plus 3 4 LCM will be 2 only. 4 9 16 25. 25 by 2 whole to the power of 4 into 3 by 25. 25, 25 will be cancelled. Next 2, 2. So 6. So option is an integer. 2 to the power of 6 will come. They have given as 1 minus 1 minus. So this can be written as 1 by 1 minus x square minus 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus, this will become 1 minus x square minus 1 by 1 minus x square. To the power of minus 1 minus 1 by 2. So next 1 minus x square, if you take in this way, first we will take minus x square, 1 minus x square minus 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus into minus plus 1 minus x square by x square whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. Here it will be x square plus 1 minus x square by x square. LCM is x square. So minus 1 by 2. So this will become x to the power of minus 2 whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. 2 will be cancelled, minus into minus plus. So x is the answer. So option A. X to the power of n whole to the power of n minus 1 by n whole to the power of 1 by n plus 1. Here LCM will be n. So x, here I am taking out n into n square minus 1 by n and whole to the power of 1 by n plus 1. This n will be cancelled. So x to the power of n square minus 1 by n plus 1. And this is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 into n minus 1 by n plus 1. N plus 1 will be cancelled. So x to the power of n minus 1 is the answer. What is the formula I am using? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Use the formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula we have to implement here. So here x to the power of L by x to the power of m. So x to the power of L minus m into L square plus Lm plus m square. In the same way, this also x to the power of m minus n into m square plus nm plus m square, n square. And this also same, x to the power of n minus L, L square plus Ln plus n square. So by using the formula, everything will be L cube minus m cube, this one, into x to the power of m cube minus n cube into x to the power of n cube minus l cube. And as these can be written as L cube minus m cube plus m cube minus n cube plus n cube minus l cube. So L cube minus L cube will be cancelled. Minus m cube plus m cube minus n cube minus n. So x to the power of 0 is equal to 1. X to the power of 1 by p is equal to y to the power of 1 by q is equal to z to the power of 1 by r. And they also given us x, y, z is equal to 1. Then I need to calculate p plus q plus r. That is the value. Assume that these is equal to k. So x to the power of 1 by p is equal to k. Then x is equal to k to the power of p. How? See here, if x square is equal to 25, what we will take? X is equal to square root of 25. So if it is 2, it will be 1 by 2, it will become. Square means 1 by 2. So in the same way, if it is 1 by p means k to the power of p. In the same way, z is equal to k to the power of r and y is equal to k to the power of q. So I am multiplying x into y into z. This will become k to the power of p into k to the power of q into k to the power of r. So x, y, z they have given as 1 is equal to k to the power of p plus q plus r. Here bases we should equal. So k to the power of 0 is equal to k to the power of p plus q plus r. So what they have as p plus q plus r is equal to what? 0. How bases are equal, then exponents will be equal. X to the power of a minus b will become. So x to the power of a by x to the power of b means x to the power of, so it will be x plus b into x to the power of b minus c into b plus c into x to the power of c minus a into c plus a. So this will become x to the power of a square minus b square. Add all those, b square minus c square plus c square minus c square. Why? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus a square, c square plus minus c square, b square minus. So x to the power of 0 is equal to 1. X is equal to 3 to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 to the power of 1 by 3 they have given. So what I need to calculate? 3x cube minus 9x I need to calculate. Cubing on both sides plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. X cube. So a plus b whole cube it will become. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus this b. Part we can write x. So this will be cancelled. So x cube is equal to here 3 will be cancelled. So 3 plus here 1 by 3 plus 3x. So x cube 3x cube it will become. So 9 plus 1 plus 9x. So it will be 10. So what they have was 3x cube minus 9x is equal to 10. So option B is the correct answer. Multiply this one. A to the power of x into b to the power of y into c to the power of z. This will become ABC. So ABC whole to the power of xyz is equal to ABC. So what I have to keep? 1 only. So xyz is equal to 1 plus ab plus b square. So the answer will be a cube minus b cube. Here b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. So a cube minus a cube will be cancelled, minus c cube plus c cube, b cube, b. So x to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So option A is the correct answer.